Welcome to Sustainable Packaging Explained, your guide to sustainable materials, methods, and package design, produced by the Emerging Brands Alliance in conjunction with Packaging World. Today, we're focusing on the potential of glass as a packaging material. Glass is made from the fusion of silica sand, sodium carbonate, and limestone, forming a substance that is conveniently recyclable. Recycled glass, or cullet, is often added, further reducing the environmental footprint. Cullet requires processing to color separate and remove non-glass contaminants such as labels and caps. Glass goes through a three-step manufacturing process before it reaches consumers. Step 1 is the batch house, where raw glass material is housed in large silos. Step 2 is glass furnace operations, where the mix is fed continuously into a furnace and melted. And Step 3 is forming, where the final shape of the container is formed. Glass has enjoyed a long history as a packaging choice. It boasts qualities such as being inert and impermeable, ensuring that the contents remain unaltered by external influences. This characteristic makes glass particularly suitable for products that are sensitive to light, heat, or oxygen. In its unaltered state, glass is recyclable and a solid choice for reuse and refill options. It can be recycled endlessly without losing its integrity, and according to the Glass Packaging Institute, 80% of glass that is recovered is made into new glass products. However, it's worth noting that glass can be energy intensive to produce, which is a factor to consider in its overall sustainability. Packaging World editor Matt Reynolds tells us more about glass as a packaging material.
Glass is great in that it's recyclable and it has a beautiful classic aesthetic. When it's clear, the product is easy to see for consumers, or when it's tinted, brown for beer bottles for instance, it can impede UV light that would otherwise impact the product itself. But it has a drawback in its weight. CO2 footprint has to be a consideration for any volume of glass. Also, its shatter-prone nature is not ideal for certain wet, slippery personal care product environments, like a shower or a bathroom. There are shatterproof glass products, but that feature adds cost. Among its current most common uses with beverages and spirits, I think a potential new Goldilocks zone for glass packaging could be in aesthetically beautiful, durable spray bottles or bottles with dispensers that are then refilled by concentrated product in a lighter package, for instance, flexible packaging within a reuse or refill model. These programs are reminiscent of the Milkman model from 70 years ago, which ironically relied on glass bottles.
The glass packaging industry continues to strengthen glass through new surface treatments and improved designs, without sacrificing improvements made by lightweighting. Since 1985, ketchup bottles have reduced weight 32%, and 7-ounce beer bottles have been reduced 30%, often by removing excess glass from the neck and parts of the bottle where thickness is not critical. Other innovations, such as airless delivery systems, avoid an internal plastic container to dispense product, making the primary packaging lighter with a smaller environmental footprint.
One interesting glass reuse model that popped up recently is a partnership between Carnival Cruise Lines, Bacardi, and reusable packaging company EcoSpirits. You can imagine a Caribbean cruise ship goes through a lot of rum drinks, and historically that's meant a lot of single-use 0.75 or 1.75 liter handle bottles of Bacardi rum. In this pilot, on a handful of ships, those single-use glass bottles are replaced by what amounts to about a 4-liter water cooler of Bacardi that's kept behind the bar and dispensed by a bartender, drink by drink. Each water cooler-sized reusable carafe will replace about 4 bottles of Bacardi Superior rum and can be reused, cleaned, and refilled about 100 times, creating a closed-loop system. During this trial alone, approximately 9,400 bottles will be replaced with EcoSpirits containers, significantly reducing waste.
Glass packaging offers recyclability, inertness, and sustainability. However, as with any packaging material, it is imperative to conduct a comprehensive life cycle analysis to determine whether glass is the optimal choice for your unique circumstances. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on packaging and scaling operations. And join us at the Emerging Brands Alliance for year-round resources to grow your brand.